am Sophia, a botanist by profession and a gardener and a farmer as hobbyist. I welcome you all to our YouTube channel Krishi Tech Goa. At the moment, I am at Gardenia, a plant nursery at Agasaim. Topic for today's episode is stem feed to coconut palm. In this episode, I am going to tell you about the various pests that infect a coconut palm and their management through stem feed equipments using various pesticides. The major pests of a coconut palm are the red palm weevil that infect the trunk of the palm, the rhinoceros beetle that infect the tender leaves of the palm, thus forming a kite-like structure of the leaves, and the eridophyte mites that infect the nuts of the palm tree. All these pests can be easily controlled by using stem feed technology. The kit has been developed by the Kerala Vikas Board based in Kerala. Stem feed kit consists of a PVC needle and a specially designed saline bottle. Now let me show you how to fix the PVC needle to the coconut palm. However, before inserting the needle to the palm, we have to clean up all the nuts from the coconut palm because the pesticide remains in the plant body for 45 to 50 days and it's unfit for consumption. Initially, we have to drill a hole in this fashion. And the hole has to be made with a 12 mm drill bit. It has to be 20 cm deep and at an angle of 45 degrees. Thereafter, we have to insert the PVC needle inside the hole. But before that, we have to apply Anabond so that we seal the ends to prevent any kind of foreign material entering inside the hole. Hmm. 3 days after fixing the PVC needle to coconut palm, pesticide could be injected as per our requirement. For example, for the control of red palm wheel and rhinoceros beetle, chlorpyrifos 50% could be injected. For the control of mites, any neem-based product could be injected. For the control of fungal infections, any fungicide can be injected. At the same time, besides pesticide, water-soluble fertilizers can be injected. For example, Vipul or Multiplex. Now I'm going to show you how to inject pesticide in the PVC needle. So before injecting, we have to always dilute the pesticide with water. And if our dose is more than 10 ml, we can always use the saline bottle. It has to be adjusted here. In this fashion, we can inject neem-based product as well as fertilizers to the plant. Finally, we have to close the PVC needle with the help of the cap. This will prevent the foreign particle from entering into the hole. If you like my video, Do click on that like button and share it to as many people as you can, so that many people be able to take advantage of this technology and the production of coconut could be increased in Goa. We have all heard the saying, precaution is better than cure. So here is my bonus tip for you all. In order to protect your coconut palm, even before the widespread of rhinoceros beetle and red palm weevil on the plant, you can install a pheromone trap. A pheromone trap comes with a activator and a lure. Lure is separate for red palm weevil as well as rhinoceros beetle. It can be tied separately for both of them. Once it's tied, it has to be filled with water so that the beetle can get trapped inside the container. With this, I, Sophia, conclude my video, thanking you all for your patient listening. See you again.